you all, welcome back to Money's Universe. We are still in Mexico, started our day bright and early, heading out for an exciting adventure. I'm over here just enjoying the ride and taking in the views. And of course, we made a quick stop for some snack. I got some nachos with melted cheese on it and jalapeno, and coconut water from a local store. It was delicious. The real fun is ahead in the video. We are on our way to Cenote, where we'll be going on ATV rides and ziplining. I'm gonna try it for the first time. And I'm super excited for this. Can't wait to take you guys along.
Follow me, just follow me. No, it's cool. Hands out. Yeah, be careful with the cable. Ay, 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 ay. Roll your hands. Yeah!
The next day.
Good morning. I lost count of the days, but if I count, it's the second last day today and I'm sad about it. I don't know if I want to go home, if I want to go back. I want to stay longer, but I just woke up. Me and Mandeep gonna go and have breakfast. We woke up late today. Breakfast buffet finishes in, I'm looking at my watch. Breakfast finishes in 29 minutes to be precise, and we have to be there on time, and it takes us 15 minutes to reach to the buffet venue. I'm still sleepy. I just brushed my teeth, didn't even wash my face. No one's gonna know, because as soon as we come back we're gonna go to the beach, so I don't think I need to do my proper skincare. I'm just gonna wash my face, apply sunscreen, and that's it. So I'll see you guys after that. And I'm gonna